So this is how I usually store my router bits. I just choose the bits I need and then just place it here. I don't remove them in the container so that the blades won't be hitting each other and creating nicks or bumps. So just place it there. I like this container because it easily accommodates the router bit. So here I can place 3 with its original container still. Over here another 3, 3, 3, and then there are additional containers over here. Here I can store them upright also here. So this is a nice container for my router bits. So I use the same container for my oscillating tool blades and my heat gun accessories. So the reason I like the depth of the containers, so I have my assorted blades here for my oscillating tool, and then my heat gun accessories if I'm shaping plastics. Again, sanding using your oscillating tool. That's the holder, extra sanding here. That's it. So you can easily find the oscillating tool blade you need by, instead of them sardined together in a small box, this is a better toolbox. I have some more spaces over here. For my reciprocating saw blades, I just use this kind of container. It accommodates the longest blade I have for my reciprocating saw. The smaller blades I can place here. There are partitions. If you need an extra space, just remove the partition and then you'll have a larger area. Now the small blades for your reciprocating saw, you just can place here. No need to remove the partition here. But the longer ones, you have to remove these plastic partitions. So that's how I store my reciprocating saw blades. My drill bits and nut drivers or impact drivers, again I use this kind. So my larger drill bits are over here, smaller ones are here. The angle drill bit holder for drilling in tight spaces somewhere here. Assorted nuts, nut drivers for my impact tool, impact gun here. For creating space for the heads of your screw. So my assorted drivers are here. I have extra jigsaw blades here. This is where I place it. I forgot where I placed this one. So it's here. I'll put it together with my other jigsaw blades. This one is for smoothing the tip of a bolt if you cut it, because if you just cut it, usually the nut won't enter. So here you have to smoothen the tip of your bolt so that the nut would easily enter the bolt. Nuts and bolts and washers, I just use this container. So these are the usual sizes I need in my DIY projects.